is something that I may consider, but most likely not do. That, you know, she can start calling around and see if she can find somebody else to do the lawn. Good morning, guys. This is our weekly. You guys seen this one before, and yeah, beautiful lawn. Love doing it every week. And we are coming to the point where these lawns are going to be bi-weekly here within the next probably around the 15th is when we go into the weekly, turning into bi-weeklies. And that's the way it is, because in the fall our lawns start to kind of diminish, the growth start to slow down. So hey guys, man, it's hot. I'm sweating my butt off too. Hey, real quick question. So I had a customer, well, I have a customer that I was mowing her yard, and you know, it's been raining and everything, but you know, just like this one, there's no ruts, right? There's no ruts, there's nothing. So she requested that instead of riding on her property, that if we could walk it. So I told her that walking the property is something that I may consider, but most likely not do. That, you know, she can start calling around and see if she can find somebody else to do the lawn. In this point in time in my business, I don't feel that I need to be walking big properties when I have a ride on. And again, there's no ruts, there's nothing. It's just a personal preference. So in saying that, what would you do? Would you walk the property and charge an additional fee? Listen, for me to walk that property, I'll have to charge an additional 30-40 bucks, or you know, or probably double the cost of the mow. Is right now it's 50 bucks, so I would probably have to, you know, double it, and I'm not honestly willing to do it. Tell me, what would you guys do? Would you walk the property and charge an additional fee if she pays it, or just you know, break it off and get you something else? As of right now, we are full. If you call my business, we're telling you we're full. So life is good, everything is good, but right now I can't afford to do it. So tell me, put it in the comment. Let me know, would you take it, and how much would you charge? All right, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.